Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about app extension or app assets in our Google Ads. So without further ado, let's get to know more about app assets. So we are in the official documentation of Google about app assets. So let's read what they say about app assets. App assets allow you to link to your mobile or tablet app from your text ad. People click either on your ad headline to go to your website or on the link to your app. App assets are a great way to provide access to your website and your app from a single ad. Before you begin, uh, confirm you have the following. Okay, a mobile app that's live within Google Play or the Apple App Store. The package name Android or app ID iOS for your mobile app. The URL of the page within the App Store where users can learn more about app or click to install the app. If you have all of them items above, you can add an app asset to your ads in your account, campaign, or ad group level. How it works actually. App assets showcase your mobile or tablet app by showing a link to your app below your ad. Clicking this link leads to your app's description in the App Store, Google Play, or the Apple App Store. Clicking on your ad's headline will still lead to your website. So they have mentioned some benefits over here of using app assets. So first one is flexibility. You can add app assets to accounts, campaign, or ad groups. Detailed reporting. Find out how many clicks you receive on each part of your ad when app assets appear, such as clicks to your ad's headline compared to clicks on the app assets. Break the statistics down by campaign, ad group, or ad. Smart detection of app store and device. If you create an app asset for each app store, we will show the store link that corresponds to the customer's devices. As a result, user of an iOS device will view your Apple App Store link. We'll also show the app asset link that corresponds to a customer's device type. So if your app only runs on tablet, we won't display that app asset link to a customer using a mobile phone. So very nice point. In-place editing. Edit your app assets without resubmitting or resetting its performance statistics. So yeah, so I will share this doc file with you in the description box so that you can study further about app assets in our Google Ads. Okay, so let's see how we can practically implement app assets in our Google Ads. So as usual, I have to come to the asset section and I need to click on plus button. Then I can see the app option available here. So I'll click on app. So we can set our app assets in account level, campaign level, and ad group level. I'll select here campaign, and you can create new assets or use existing assets. The next option is you need to select mobile apps platform like Android and iOS. So I will select Android here. So if you need to track app assets for iOS, you can select iOS as well. So I need to give an app URL here. So I will give it this app URL. Okay. So we can see it is wanting link text. So it is by default showing download now. You can customize it as per your requirements, but I will keep it as it is. Okay. So you can see how it will appear. So we can see the app store or Play Store link or app link is here. And beside it, we can see the download now text. Okay. So app URL option, you can track template here. I have a detailed video on tracking template. So if you haven't watched the video yet, I would suggest you to watch the video first and then set up tracking template for your app URL. Okay. And in the advanced section, we have start and end date over here. Like you can give start date and end date in your app assets, and you can schedule the days, times, and hours. Like if you want to schedule it for Monday to Friday, you can do it. Like Saturday to Sunday, you can also do it. If you want to set for any specific days like Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, so you can do it. But for me, I will not use any of them. So I will click on save. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on app assets. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. If you like our video, you can subscribe our channel. Yeah, you have a good day. Bye bye.